So today I'm out here with my fellow Isuzu friends and a couple others. I got the Honduzu back, put the transmission in, and it is back on the trail, and we are gonna go ahead and break this thing in properly. Got a couple guys heading up here on the trail right now, and we're gonna get some footage of us on the day at Cleghorn. Best way to break in a brand new trans. Doing that quick change fuel pump.
Oh yeah. Oh, that exhaust is hot.
Yes, yes. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. No drama. That was so good, dude. Big wheel lift.
And you ripped it off, and you're like, you're my new friend. I have that's where I'm at. Anybody talk about trying it?
So I think everyone here is like hard pass.
Hard pass? Does it get worse right there? Up there where there's
Yeah,
a shadow.
at the very end is very hard. Yeah,
hard.
That's where the hardest part is, at the end there.
Oh really?
Yeah, because it's got, I think it's got like a little drop down.
Right here or past that?
At the, yeah, kind of like right where it turns left there. This is the hardest part. This is where you got some contact already here. There's been some color transfer.
As long as you hug hard this way and you don't like scrape the control on.
Yeah, so yeah, no, so even more. So yeah, this is where it gets wicked. So if you
like
look
this.
up at that, like
I'm good. Do it.
I'll pass. Okay, so this,
Wow.
this is exciting.
Yeah, this is where I'd probably pull up this way and set up camp.
There's an echo in here. I can hear myself. Like there's like tire treads. Look at the tire treads on the wall. Look at the tire treads, man.
Yeah.
Dents, dents, dents. All that's dented.
Is that the end? Yeah, that's where it meets up with the road.
Right, yeah, right at the road
That's
there.
where it gets easy.
But we do have to go back. This is
absolutely-
loco.
Yeah, I
Well,
want to
hear
do a
me out.
pass on that.
Hear
too.
me out.
You're gonna do a hard
Yeah.
pass? Yeah.
This is only my third time out. Yeah.
I'm more worried about that than this. This doesn't scare me. This, I know I can just whatever around this.
I mean, people are like, you see the rock? People are diffing out on the rock there.
Fine. We are narrow, and we would be able to do it, but the thing is, that other part up there is the only thing. That's worse than this.
Yeah.
I could do this.
I think
This
maybe
is-
on a different day.
With a short wheelbase, this is easy.
Send it!
I know you're gonna go ass over end, man.
Yeah, endo.
That thing will lawn dart pretty well.
You feel the thing getting light?
Yeah,
Hit that gas.
when in doubt, go flat out. Oh my God, yeah. That's a little too much.
But see, hold on.
See, look, if I just,
But see, hold on.
I love your enthusiasm.
This drop and this drop kind of happened at the same time, so it would, I could get my ass to land here, and so could you guys.
So the chute,
Yeah,
pass.
Yeah, that was dumb. Dude, these ear tie things are the best.
Aren't they smidgen?
Oh wow, that's great.
Wait, come here. Give us a minute. We got to stuck it through there.
Do you need me to come back up and help?
No,
No, we're good. Grab that.
Yeah.
There we go. Just as good as a pilot.
Should be.
Took before.
I got a full gearing.
So, man, I felt it through my suspension.
Did you?
The earth moved.
I got you.
Oh, baby.
Pay attention now.
Hi, babe. Oh my God, yes! Atta babe. There you go. Well, that's that. We're airing back up and we're gonna go get some pizza. Come back for another trip one day because there's a lot more I want to do here. And a lot more everyone else wants to do here, but we all came out with some trial and errors. And we know what works, what doesn't work. That's gonna be awesome. Hell yeah. Until next time, I'll see you out on the trail.